How to build a gaming PC. Building a gaming PC can be a rewarding experience if you enjoy technology and gaming. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Decide how much you're willing to spend on your gaming PC. This will determine the components you can afford. CPU, processor. Select a CPU that fits your budget and gaming needs. Intel and AMD offer a range of options. GPU, graphics card. This is crucial for gaming performance. Choose a GPU based on the games you want to play and your budget. Motherboard. Ensure it is compatible with your CPU and has the features you need, like C slots for your GPU. RAM. Aim for 16 GB for gaming. Check the motherboard's compatibility and speed, usually DDR4. Power supply, PSU. Get one with enough wattage and efficiency for your components. OS installation. Install Windows or your preferred operating system from a USB drive. Download games. Install your favorite games and enjoy your new gaming PC.